Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to contest only from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. That's the parliamentary seat he's retained after winning 2 seats in the 2014 elections. There had been speculation that in the general elections, the Prime Minister may opt for another temple town, Puri, but top party sources now saying that it's likely he's going to stick with his existing constituency of Varanasi. Lots of other interesting names emerging as possible candidates. Cricketer Gautam Gambhir likely to contest from New Delhi. Meenakshi Lekhi, the sitting MP, may get another seat from Delhi in order to accommodate Gautam Gambhir. Menka Gandhi, it seems, could fight from Haryana instead of Pilibhit, and her son Varun could get his mother's seat. Several BJP spokespersons also very keen, it seems, to contest the polls. Akhilesh joining us at this point for all of those details. Akhilesh, first of all, on the Prime Minister himself, is it now fairly clear that Mr. Modi will actually stick to Varanasi and that Puri may go to someone else, perhaps to the BJP spokesperson?
Well, there was never any doubt about Prime Minister Modi recontesting from his own seat of Varanasi. But yes, there was a speculation that he may also contest from Puri because BJP wanted to expand in the eastern India, and BJP hoped that in Odisha it has better chances for its expansion. So BJP was stressing that that if Prime Minister Modi contests from a seat like Puri, then it may help BJP to expand its base in the crucial state like Odisha. But now being told that Prime Minister will contest from Banaras, that's for sure. He may also contest from another seat, but that is not going to be Puri. That's what BJP sources are telling us. They are saying that BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra is very keen to contest from Puri, and he has been very active in that area, and he may actually be given ticket by the party to contest the next Lok Sabha election. And coming to the BJP's own Gandhi family, Menka Gandhi was a senior party leader. She's an MP from Pilibhit in Uttar Pradesh. Now she wants to shift to Haryana so that Varun Gandhi, her son, can be shifted from Sultanpur to Pilibhit. And BJP is giving it a serious thought. BJP has consulted Haryana state leaders. They are saying that Menka Gandhi may contest from either Karnal or Kurukshetra in Haryana. And as far as Mr. Varun Gandhi is concerned, he will be shifted to Pilibhit from Sultanpur if Menka Gandhi shifted to Haryana. And from Varun Gandhi's Sultanpur seat, now there are many contenders within the BJP, leaders like Vinay Katiyar, Swami Chinman, and all these people, leaders are, bidding their pitch for ticket from the Sultanpur seat.